Hi and welcome along today. You know, it's great today's world, isn't it, with the internet. It's so useful, isn't it? Because if you want to buy something or you see something of use, you can buy it from anywhere around the world. And that's really useful, isn't it? Because you find that a lot of other countries do things slightly different to us and tools slightly different to us. I'm talking about tools because plumbing is what it's about, but if like me, you do a bit of mechanical and you use spanners a lot, you'll find that you tend to stick with the same brand. You get the same type of spanner, good quality here in England. But I've shopped around and I know there's a good firm out there, one I use regularly in China, called Banggood.com. Sounds odd, I know, but the other week I spotted something that I thought might be rather useful. They look like a good tool. I thought I'd take a go on them, and it's a set of spanners, but a set of spanners with a difference. So let me show you. Here they are then. These two M1s, just normal ratchet spanner on the end. You can get these anywhere. You can see that they're just fixed and they're normal. High quality feel to them. They feel really good. I know they've got to go through a bit of wear yet. But the other four are the interesting ones, because if you look there, you can see that there is a kind of rotating collar. Now this is what's going to be really handy. I'm going to go down and try it on a few parts in the bike in a minute. We'll see how we get on, because you can swivel it like so. How many times have you gone to do a nut that's in a really awkward place and you can't get the spanner head on? It always is at a funny angle where you might have needed to get the spanner, for instance, like that, you know. So I'm going to go down to the garage now and have a look at my old screws and see if there's something I can sort of show you the usefulness of this tool, which, you know, I find for the price of what it cost, it was ridiculously cheap. And you know, at the end of the day, there wasn't barely any postage and packing on it, and it's here. Isn't it great, the internet? We can just get this stuff from anywhere. So let's go down and we'll see what the spanner's like in action. So just as a kind of example, here's my old Lambretta down here in the garage. Say I wanted to get to this nut down here. I'd have to probably use a socket to get on there. I wouldn't get a single spanner in there, but with this there is a possibility now of coming on like this, and I could conceivably undo that. No, I don't want to undo it, it looks nice and tight. But I'm just showing you the kind of hard, difficult to reach places, like on this side. You know, I've got this kind of thing here. Again, this could go on and save you getting a socket out, because once you get the socket box, you know, that's it, isn't it? You're kind of digging around and getting everything out, and this might just get you over that little hurdle, especially if you wanted to carry something like this in the toolbox of your car, scooter or whatever you've got. This might just save your day because it's so flexible. But that's the kind of things that I'm referring to where its use can be, I think, pretty invaluable. I know time will tell how they wear, how they get on, but perhaps I'll get back to you in a few months and let you know how these spanners have got on. So what do you get? You get a 6 here, 7, 8, interestingly no 9, I don't know why that is, then a 10, 11 and 12. As I say, these four are the ones with the ratchets on. These two, obviously the metal will probably be too thin to make a ratchet across those two, and that's probably why it's not done in that size. So an interesting set that I think could come in real useful if this is your bag. Okay, that's about it from me then. Catch you next time with the next one, and don't forget Derek and 33, all my stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.